So I don't recommend this to anyone. One of the trailers we had our eye on is a trailer that went out of business. It's called Earthbound, and they went out of business pretty much after the first year of being in business. They were trying to compete with Airstream, but at a little bit of a discount, and it seems like they missed their mark. They're difficult to find because only 500 were made. Very few bunkhouses. We're near Ocala, Florida, and the one for sale is in Canton, Ohio. So we've had our eye on it for like a month. The price just came down almost 30%. So even though it's kind of winter, it's RV season, and at a 30% discount, this thing's not going to be around for long. So we had choices to make. Our gut feeling is telling us, get it now or never get it. We don't have a truck, so what do? I'm actually going to go to rent one, and I'm going to drive it almost 1,000 miles. Long road trip ahead. God, I probably look like a bit of a maniac. It's only me taking the trip, so I rented this guy, and I'm about halfway there. I'm sure people are looking at me like I'm nuts. I've been told to ignore the looks and just tell you the story. So yeah, so they're holding it for me, and we'll see what happens when we get there tomorrow. I'll be crashing in the backseat tonight. I haven't done that since I was a teenager, so.
I know you're trying your best to hold on to what you believe in, what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here.
Oh, you need a sleeve.
Okay,
Do you have sleeves?
I got sleeves here.
You measure center of the ball. At 3 inches? Or at 2 inches?
Probably 1.5 for that one.
Okay, 20 and a half, 21 or so.
I lost that one.
It comes with instruction manuals too. Electric stabilizer jacks. So basically what these are meant to do is they're meant to hit the ground, and that's it. They're meant to stop this. They're not meant for leveling, they're not meant to change a tire. And you'll hear the motor make like a little bit different of a sound when it hits. So you're gonna get your front to back leveling with your tongue, side to side with some extra blocks. And then compartment light inside of there. You want to go over the propane?
The manifold only feeds two.
Yep.
And you always have one in spare.
A little gauge right there, so once that turns red, then you know you're empty. Right over here is a battery disconnect. On this side will just be the other side of the storage.
Yeah.
That's the heater. Okay, as you know, that will get hot, so that is okay, that's not okay. And then our hot water tank here. Other than that, it looks like you have your pressure release valve right there. The only time you'll need to use this is to burp the system. Are you going to be winterizing?
No.
Okay, then you don't need to worry about anything else. Your fresh fill right there. The dump station will be the same. You will have the black and the gray. The 30 amp power cord.
Yeah.
Your rear jacks will be right there. And you have your city connection there. And did you discuss the black tank flush down there? Okay, and then you know each one of these is shut off with the key. Perfect. Slide in and out. Right there you have the awning in and out. Next you have your water pump and the hot water tank. Like I said, you have the electricity side and you have the LP side. So, and then to test all of your levels is just like any other one, battery fresh and everything inside of there.
You put in like 20 gallons of water and you put dishwashing liquid in there.
One thing, never put dish soap into them.
What is it?
Don't put dish soap into them.
Oh, really?
Yep. And once they get sticky, there's no getting it clean.
Oh, no.
If you look at the top of your screen right here, see the gain? You probably go to 10.
Yep.
So about 6.5 is about good. It just depends on your preference. Now if you feel that the camper is pushing you, you have to turn the gain up.
Right.
So the gain is basically the brakes on the camper.
Got it.
So now if it's dragging you, what you need to do is just turn it down a little bit.
This
This little sidebar right here
Yeah.
is to put the brakes on the camper alone. Last thing you ever want to do when you're towing is slam on brakes. And what you want to do is just let go of the gas, maybe slide that over just a little bit and let it slow you down till you get control again. Never slam on your brakes or slide that over. So get to about 35, 45 miles per hour, and what you do is hit on the brakes and just see how it feels. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pull this out real quick.
autopilot after gassing up the truck after my first 100 miles of towing this thing. And let me tell you, towing this thing for the first time without anybody telling you how to do it, it's like 10 cups of coffee. But yeah, I think the sway bar was definitely a good investment. I should say the whole hitch. See, I don't even have the nomenclature right, but I will. But it doesn't sway at all. Trucks have passed me, other cars. It bouncing all over the place with this road and stuff. Not even, yeah, not a problem. It's barely, a lot of that goes to the truck, of course, but I've heard that, you know, this thing wobbles and weevils and stuff like that, and nothing. It's solid. It's great. It tows like a dream. I can't even hardly tell it's back there. Yeah, here I am at Walmart. Fun drive, you know, about 400 miles. So almost halfway home. So it's nothing we all don't know, but boy, it's cold up north. Oh, it's like 12 degrees out. I got the heater running. The refrigerator says that there's no gas. I should have had them check to see if the refrigerator gas part worked. I get the feeling it does not, because there is gas because the heater's working and it's getting warmer in here. The refrigerator's nicely telling me it thinks there's no gas by beeping. Unless I want that cricket all night, I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn it off or something. So far, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. This is really a neat setup. I really like it. It's so cozy. It really does feel like home.
I didn't come here to save you. I think we need each other. But if I could, I would save you. And you still wonder. One love, that's all you need to be everything you want to be. And all that love is standing right here.
Well, there's the beast. I was gonna ask Brian to film me backing up for the first time. It's kind of like a snake getting into a rabbit hole. I don't know. It took me about 10 minutes, but wiggle. But third time was the charm, and I got it in there. No process, but there it is. Kind of lined up. I'm sure we'll get better. So there aren't many firsts, right? This is the first time we're ever going inside to see the RV. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready too.
Yeah? Okay, get the step up. Well, I'm not showing you guys because you'll get your fingers caught.
Fingers.
It's manual? Oh, man.
Manual.
Uh-oh.
Spiral.
Not wrong. There you go.
Cool. Everyone has those, but...
So that's the step.
Hey, record the froggy, Dad.
It used to be a mascot for calm. There's some debate whether the frog is the mascot for Earthbound, because there's one here and there's one in the back. And this, they told me, came off.
I hope that comes off.
When it said it came off, I should have taken it off.
Can we go inside now? Can we go inside now because I got...
Here we go. My tummy hurts.
It smelled brand new before they put all this chemical stuff in here. It's a shame.
Oh, really? They cleaned it up and put chemical smell in it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put this light out.
Yeah, what a smell. Sorry.
I know, isn't that a shame?
Yeah.
That's such a shame. It smelled like the RV smells.
Oh, that's sad. They covered it with this really weird.
Isn't that weird? I'm hoping that it evaporates because it's like simple green.
We can
or
even
something.
wipe it down again with our own cloth.
Yeah, I know. It was just water. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, here we go.
Just like there, Axel. Hey, look how
Wow,
close.
it's faster than ours.
No.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. That's cool. I like it.
And then it transforms into a robot. Cha-ching.
Your shoes in there.
Dang.
That's the furnace there underneath the couch. The couch stays. So that's awesome, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look at how much space we're gonna get. I mean, you know, when this comes out, this is a monstrosity. It's such a shame too, because they're brand new and they did them so well.
For this, can you have?
We are not picking bunks yet, so you guys can climb on either one, but none of them is
I already
yours.
told them.
We are not picking bunks yet.
Oh, I like that retro color over the, not retro, but whatever.
This is it right here.
It looks better on the
valance. So they gave us all the RV pillows. This is extra. I had to pay for this.
How pretty. Did you?
No.
It's funny. I was like, did you really? Because, you know, we didn't have to have that.
Yeah, let me put this over here.
In our new bedroom.
Yeah, this is the bedroom. Yeah, it's even got little nightstands all the way in the back. See that?
Oh, no, I don't have enough room. It's not bad.
No, I don't think so. And the bedroom closest here. This closest to here, and this closest to here.
Oh, okay.
And it forms a wall. It's got one house battery.
One?
112-volt battery. It's not even a golf cart battery.
You're kidding me. That's weird.
Yeah. It runs everything.
We are used to our Class A, aren't we? I am.
It's got a bunk.
No, I know. The bunkhouse is awesome.
You know.
That's what one of the biggest one.
What?
I want you to lift me up there. And Emma too.
Be careful.
Watch your head.
Watch your heads. This is the big storage.
And I'll bump my head.
It's so new. So we'll see.
Can we come down now?
But there's that, and there's this one. I don't know what I'm gonna put here. Really long spaghetti.
Look, Axel.
Oh yeah, no kidding.
It goes all the way back.
And look, we have a top of the fridge.
Until you put. Oh yeah, we do, don't we?
Yeah.
That's not part of
You
the
can put
slide.
something to hold everything that we put there.
Oh,
this
how
way.
funny.
So we got a half a fridge. You know.
Yeah. Light.
I was wondering where all the lighting is because this is a lot darker. There's a light right here too, though.
Yeah, I don't know where that one is.
Look.
Maybe you can. Oh, there you go.
And there you go. That helps.
Yeah.
Well, that helped a lot. I
Yeah.
was gonna say they missed some. They got some lighting missed here.
Yeah.
And down here, yeah, you got lighting here.
Yeah. I mean, I think if this comes out right here, if this comes out, that's what we're planning to do. Take this out of here and then repurpose this space into something that the whole family can use, because this is our living room right here. And this is humongous. I mean, there's a lot of square footage here. So I think if we take this dinette out, which is a total shame, this thing is beautiful. So that is our rushed, semi-rushed introduction to our new trailer. Our new Earthbound here. We're really stoked. We have so many plans. Our imaginations are going crazy, but yeah, you guys know as much as we know, and welcome any ideas. If you guys got any ideas, we definitely have ideas of our own regarding power in particular, but yeah, so much to do and so little time. July is just around the corner.